Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm gonna create this classic black smoky eye look for you guys, and this is my pick for an awesome Nabami night. I always love a classic black smoky eye paired with nude lips. This look screams classy. It's very easy to recreate, and if you're a beginner, don't worry, it is seriously easy to recreate. I just used a couple of eyeshadows and created this look. I hope you enjoy watching it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. So I just washed my face with this Dermavive Hydra cleanser. I absolutely love using this cleanser. If you guys have sensitive skin, then I would definitely say go for this because this does not dry out my skin after I use it. It's very important to wash your face before you start off with your makeup, and this cleanser is SLS soap, paraben and fragrance free, which is amazing. Now I'm going to moisturize my face with the Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I use this in all my videos. You guys know how much I love it. This one really hydrates my skin, and if you are looking for a good moisturizer, I would definitely say go for this. It soothes and hydrates my skin, and it does not dry out my skin or make it oily. It just adds the right amount of hydration, which is amazing. I'll mention all the links in the description box below, so do check it out. Next, I'm going to use the Colorbar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. Really love using this, and this is amazing. So yesterday my microphone malfunctioned, so I'm trying a new one. Let me know how it sounds. Look at the glow it gives. It is beautiful. Next, I'm going to use, you guys know I love this. This is the PAC Pure Hydration Gel. It's very important to have a smooth base before you apply your makeup. Like, it's very important to prep your skin before you go in with your foundation, your concealer. My skin is so hydrated. I feel so relaxed. I love prepping my skin before applying makeup. Next, I'm going to use this Forever 52 Spotless Glow Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Wheat. It looks like your skin but better, and I love these kind of foundations. I'm keeping my makeup light because I don't want to pile on makeup, because the mask is a mandatory thing and I don't want to pile on makeup and, you know, not let my skin breathe. I'm going to use the Tann Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. This is a medium brown shade, and it's not too warm, not too cool, and it's perfect for the crease. The eye look is gonna be pretty simple and pretty quick. Next, I'm going to use this Colorbar It's a Scandal Kajal, and this is in the shade Black Lingerie. So let's go in with this. So we are going to apply it on top of our eyelids, and not gonna be very neat about it. Just make sure that you stay below the crease area. Let's do one eye at a time. I'm just going to blend it, especially the edges. And I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna blend it. This eye is more hooded than this one, but it's okay. That's what makes you unique. You shouldn't really worry about these things. Okay, looks good for now. Next, to blend the crease area, I'm going to go in with a darker brown. I am going to take this one, and we're going to blend the crease area so that there are no harsh lines. Guys, I'm so excited about this Pujo. I don't know, how are you gonna spend Pujo? Are you gonna spend Pujo with your friends, your family? Where are you guys gonna go have food? Just let me know in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and replying to your comments. And I would love to see how you're planning to spend your Pujo days. For me, I don't think makeup should be elaborate and very time consuming, because if you spend most of your time doing makeup, then when are you gonna have fun? Okay, so almost done here. It's blended beautifully. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and apply it on top of my lids. Now I have two options. One is from this Tann Beauty eyeshadow palette, this black. Other one I have is from Forever 52, this black, which is also amazing. I think I'm going to use this black from Forever 52. These two are the blackest black that I've ever seen. I'm just going to pack this on my eyelid. But again, I will not cross the crease area. I'll rather pack it beneath the crease area. A classic black smoky eye is my favorite. Now again, taking the dark brown from the Tann Beauty palette, I am again going to blend it. So it's all about blending. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm going to just blend the edges of my eyeshadow. So I'm almost done with the eyelid. Now I am going to do my base and apply concealer. For the concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. And the sponge I'm using is from Plume. This is their Celestial sponge. Next, to brighten my under eye area, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And this instantly brightens my under eye area. Next, to set it, I'm going to use the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. And this instantly gives an airbrush look. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take the Tann Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take that dark brown shade. Almost done with my eyes. Now it's time for the Kajal. And I'm going to take the same black Kajal and apply it on my upper lash line and also my lower lash line. And I want it to be like really, really intense. And then I am going to smudge it again. Then taking the dark brown shade from Tann Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm again going to just apply it on the edges so that a little bit of brown shows underneath the black. That way it looks more smoky. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply lashes later. I'll just do my eyebrows right now. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I'm going to bronze my face right now, and for the bronzer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. I always love a sun-kissed look. Guys, please এরকম অনেক হয়েছে যে তোমরা আমাকে দেখেছো কোনো মলে বা কোনো ইটরিতে and তোমরা এসে কথা বলোনি পরে আমাকে DM করেছো. Guys, please don't do this. I would love to meet you guys. So if you see me anywhere, if you spot me anywhere, just come and say hi. For my blush, I'm going to use this Colorbar Cheek Illusion Blush. This is in the shade Rosy Peach. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Copper Shine. It is such a pretty shade. It's a beautiful shade. Now I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone area as well. Only thing I'm left with is my lipstick, and it's very crucial what color you choose for your classic black smoky eye. I always choose a nude, pinkish nude. It always looks so much better. I would totally avoid red or any other heavy lipstick shade. When you apply your makeup, the focus should be on one of your features. Like the focus is totally on the eyes, so I'm gonna go nude with the lips. So I'm gonna go with either Better Call Salmon, which is a shade from Sugar, or I have two PAC lipsticks. One is in the shade Downtown and the other one is in the shade Paradise, and both of them are my favorite. I think I will go for Paradise because it's more of a brownie nude. Before that, for my lip liner, I'm going to use this K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Sensational. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful shade. I will be back after applying the lashes. Guys, I'm back after applying false lashes and I'll link everything in the description box below. I went in with some dramatic eyelashes because I wanted this look to be a little bit more dramatic than I usually do. After all, it's Nabami. I think Nabamiর জন্য this is the perfect look for a Nabami night. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of the video. This is my finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give this video a thumbs up. I hope you've watched my previous Shoptomi Oshtomi looks. If you haven't, then go check it out. Alright guys, be safe, wear your mask, carry a sanitizer and also carry an extra mask in case you need it. I always like to be prepared. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I mean it, please subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.